tuning in. We're in the eye wall. You can see everything's getting destroyed. I'm in a pretty good location. I just have some smaller trees way across the field. I don't have anything that'll hit me. But there's a gas station right there. You can see it's destroyed. Winds right now 110. And I should be popping out of this probably in 10 or 15 minutes. There's people actually driving. I don't think I'd be driving. That's actually a storm chaser, I think. I have no idea. Another gust. Man, it's going to destroy part of Panama City. This place is never going to be the same. I have a building behind me on my tail that buffers the wind. It slows it down a little bit. So I'm using my advantage to that. Slow the wind down where I'm at right here. I don't know how well this is going to look, but eye wall's about 5 miles away, so we'll see. Hopefully the cell service stays up. Okay. I don't know if you can hear the sound. Guys just driving by, hardcore. I know my limits. Alright guys, this is what it's like to be in an eye wall of a Cat 4 hurricane, I believe. I'm not sure. I haven't got an update. It was either 3 or 4. Clean my lens. Wow, there goes another one. Can't see much in front of me. The wind is about to shift directions here, so I gotta turn the car a little bit. Well, maybe not. Maybe. All right, we'll try that. Turn the car a little bit again. Try to keep up with the shifting wind. I don't know if you can hear the sound or not, but I'll be quiet. My ears are popping right now. Pressure's so low. Wow. My ears are popping. This is incredible. The sky's starting to get light, so I think the eye is just about here. I have to swallow because my ears are popping. This is weird. It's amazing that gas station is still standing. I'm going to stream as long as I can. And folks, it's not my window that's fogged up. The visibility is basically nothing here. There's the dumpster. I'm going to turn the car. Gotta wipe the lens off the camera again. My trees are doing pretty good over there, blocking my wind so far. What's left of them. My ears are still popping. Time 1:26 p.m. here. folks, I'm going to end the live stream. I'm going to go check the radar here and see where this eye wall is. And if I can get back in the eye wall, I'll show you all what it looks like on the inside. These are sustained winds, about 120. Keep cleaning off my lens. I can't imagine what Panama City is going to look like in about 6 hours once this passes. Oh, gotta roll the wind up again. Okay, now I'm going to end the live stream. I'm going to go check the radar, and I'll see you guys later. Don't worry about me, I'm okay. Updates after a while.